Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I customize the front of my lace closure unit to get it laying super flat and also being able to wear it glueless. This wig is by Ishow Hair, and this is their highlight deep curly 4x4 lace closure wig. So the first thing that I'm doing with this wig is just placing it on my mannequin head. That way it's easier for me to customize and pluck the front. First, I'm taking some mousse and I'm just applying that all over the hairline. For me, it's a lot easier to pluck my wigs when it's on a mannequin head compared to my own head. So first, I'm just sectioning off the hair, and then we're going to get to plucking. I take my tweezers and I go back and forth in like really small strokes, and when I'm plucking, I always leave a space in between the hair itself. So I'll pluck one spot, leave a space, then continue on down the line, but I always leave a space in between of like each area that I pluck. As you guys can see, I also left the video in real time because I really want you guys to like follow the exact steps of what I'm really doing. So yeah, pluck, leave a space, pluck again. If you take your tweezers and pluck everything at the same time without leaving any spaces, that can cause balding, and you're definitely gonna like end up with a frontal that's over plucked, and it's just gonna look funny. It's not gonna really look natural. So don't do that. When you're plucking your hair, always leave a space. And then after I finish plucking one side, I take my comb and just comb out that excess hair that came out. Now I'm just re-adding some mousse to the hair, and then I'm gonna comb back all the pieces that's in the front into the hair, and I'm just gonna like kind of thin that out as well. So you're gonna follow the same steps with plucking and just, you know, pass the tweezers over it. And then after you're done that, then you move on to the other side. This is what the hairline is looking like after I finish plucking both sides. Now I'm just sectioning off some hair for the baby hairs. I'm not going to lay the baby hairs on the mannequin head. I'm going to wait until I have it onto my head. So yeah, after sectioning off the baby hairs, we're just going to go in and dap this hair, get it all wet and nice. So I'm taking some water first and I'm just damping the hair, and then I'm going to go in with some mousse. The mousse that I'm using is the Lotta Body Mousse. And you guys, this is like one of the best mousse for curly hair. Highly recommended, and it's also super affordable. You can find it at your local beauty supply store for about $5 to $6. Super cheap, and it works so great on curly hair, and it really helps with like defining the curls and also like keeping the frizz under control. So with this hair itself, after I installed my wig, I was like running my fingers through this hair like crazy, you guys, and it did not frizz up. I will show you guys how the hair looked probably like 3 to 4 hours after I finish installing it. You guys will see that towards the end of this video, but the hair did not frizz up at all. I was honestly so impressed with the hair. The hair did not tangle one bit. Like, I could run my fingers through the hair with no problem. It's super soft, does not have a smell to it or anything like that. I also did wear the wig a couple times after me installing it, so a few days later, and you guys, the hair was amazing. Like, you can just wake up and put this wig on and go about your day, and it's so snug onto your head. Like I said, I wore this wig completely glueless. All the times I've been wearing this wig, I have not used any adhesive whatsoever. I just put it on and it just lays so flat onto my head. I don't need to use any sprays, any gel, like literally nothing, you guys. You just put it on and you go. That is it. It's such a great wig for an everyday wear, especially if you're somebody that's really like lazy and you don't have the patience to install a wig every day. This is like such a perfect wig for that, and the color is amazing. The hair is great overall. I love it. So yeah, now I'm just hot combing the hair, and then we're gonna lay these baby hairs. I'm trying to do like the Tay method. This is my first time trying to curl in the baby hairs first, and I actually liked it. Like, the hair did take that form, and it was so much easier to just lay down. So I might be doing this more often. But yeah, after that, you guys, I just took my hot comb and go back over the hair to make sure the top was really flat and secured. After, I just went back in with some mousse and added that to the hair. Then I took some concealer just to highlight the part in space. And here I'm taking the end of a brush, or you can use a rat tail comb. Use the end of a rat tail comb and just make sure that concealer is like mainly only getting onto the lace itself and not so much the hair. And this is how beautiful the hair look, you guys. Like, I love this curl pattern. It is so manageable. It doesn't really tangle that much at all. So this is like 2 to 3 hours after the hair got dried, and it did not get big, did not get puffy, did not frizz up a lot either, which I really like. So that's one thing honestly I really like with this foam in particular. Even if you're constantly running your fingers through this unit, it's not gonna frizz up or it's not gonna lose its curl pattern. The hair is just beautiful, you guys. I really like the color. So this wig is completely glueless, and when I say no adhesive, I mean completely glueless. Like, no sprays, no glue, no nothing, no adhesive. It's completely glueless. So as you guys saw prior to me installing the hair, all I did was go in with my tweezers and did some plucking. I had to do a little plucking because I really wanted it to look natural as possible. So I just plucked out some of the hair behind the hairline, which I did show you guys on camera, and then I just laid the baby hairs down, added some concealer into the center part just to highlight that part in space. And I added some water to the hair and then some mousse. So I did spray with water prior to me adding the mousse. So water first and then mousse. This mousse definitely helps with like taming the frizziness and also defining your curls. If you wear curly hair, I definitely recommend getting this mousse. It is one of my favorites. I told you guys in my previous video. It is the Ladder Body Mousse with coconut and shea oils. Definitely one of my favorite mousses for curly hair, and it is also very inexpensive. I believe it's like $5 to $6 at the beauty supply store. So really cheap, and also works really great on your curly units. This is the wig. Comment down below and let me know how you guys feeling this hair. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up button if you guys did enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.